The province of Cagayan has been devastated by Typhoon Egay. Nevertheless, it suffered significant damage from the storm. In Barangay Gidam, Abulog, Cagayan, 400 families are now taking shelter on the roads as their homes are submerged in water.
Catch basin din po kami kasi baha din po sa Apayao, tapos dito po sa Pamplona, pumunta din po dito. Nadagdagan lang po yung tubig dahil po doon sa Nia.
Although there are evacuation centers available, they choose to construct makeshift shelters on the roads to keep watch over their houses. Aling Cora, together with her family, patiently awaits the floodwaters to recede so they can return to their home. With only a few belongings they could carry, they are now relying on the assistance provided by the local government.
Alis naman kami, sir, pero yung mga gamit namin nandyan lang sa loob. Yung mga gamit lang namin na konti ang nadala namin. Bale, pangalawang beses na ngayon, sir. Nandyan naman yung bahay namin, sir. Hindi naman kami maiwan-iwan yung bahay namin.
Aside from homes, vast hectares of corn and rice fields in Cagayan are also underwater. As of 8 p.m. yesterday, July 26, Wednesday, the initial recorded agricultural damage in the province of Cagayan due to Typhoon Egay amounted to 233,546,644 pesos. According to the initial data from the Provincial Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office of Cagayan, the damage affects 29,900 hectares of agricultural land from 17 municipalities in the province. The majority of the damage is in the corn fields, amounting to 217,414,818 pesos, followed by 14.5 million pesos from high-valued commercial crops, mostly vegetables, and 1,631,826.78 pesos from rice crops. A total of 31,739 farmers are severely affected from the towns of Santa Ana, Camalanogan, Lasam, Abulog, Igig, Rizal, Santo Niño, Tuaw, Alcala, Gonzaga, Bagao, Alacapan, Bugay, Piat, Sulana, Peña Blanca, and Apari. The primary cause of their damaged corn crops was the heavy rain and strong winds that battered their fields. Most of the affected crops were in the seedling to reproductive and vegetative stages. Apart from the agricultural sector, significant damage to infrastructure was also caused by Typhoon Egay. In the fisheries sector, the damage reached 470,384,256.46 pesos, and livestock damage amounted to 189,000 pesos from 5 municipalities in Cagayan. Alan Manansala, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.